You might not realize it, but right now, a huge technological revolution is quietly unfolding in an industry that affects every single one of us: medicine. And in this explainer, we're going to break down what this sea change called Pharma 4.0 really means for the future of your health. And look, this isn't just about a few new gadgets in a lab. We're talking about a complete fundamental shift in how things are done. It's a transformation that promises to reinvent the whole shebang, from the moment a new drug is conceived to the day it actually gets into our hands.
So what's at the heart of all this? Well, it's this incredible convergence of advanced digital technologies. You've got AI, robotics, augmented reality, all of them coming together to build a much smarter, way more connected pharmaceutical world.
And here's a question that really puts it all into perspective. Just think about this for a second. The old way of creating drugs is incredibly slow, it's expensive, and it takes decades. Pharma 4.0 is here to completely flip that script.
Okay, so how is any of this even possible? Let's meet the tech transformers. We're going to do a quick tour of the 5 key technologies that are really the engines driving this whole revolution.
Kicking things off, we've got artificial intelligence and machine learning. The best way to think about this is like having a brilliant research assistant that literally never sleeps. It can tear through massive databases of molecules to find promising drug candidates, all at a speed that was just science fiction a few years ago.
Then you've got the Internet of Things, or IoT. And honestly, this is like giving a factory its very own digital nervous system. Thousands of tiny sensors are monitoring everything in real time: temperature, machine performance, you name it, creating this constant river of data that you can use to optimize absolutely everything. And the impact? Oh, it's huge. Just by using that data to predict when a machine might fail, before it actually does, companies can cut unplanned downtime by up to 50%. That means a more reliable supply of the medicines we all count on.
Now, all that data flying around is pretty useless without these next 2 pieces of the puzzle. On the left, you've got big data analytics, which turns all that raw information into actual life-saving insights. And on the right, blockchain. It creates this secure, unhackable digital ledger, meaning every single pill can be tracked from the factory to the pharmacy. It's a massive blow against dangerous counterfeit drugs.
So, what's the glue that holds all of this incredible tech together? Well, that's where cloud computing comes in. It's the powerful, super scalable digital foundation that lets all these other systems talk to each other, store massive amounts of data, and run their complex calculations. It's the infrastructure that makes it all work.
But here's the thing, and this is what's really fascinating. With all of this mind-blowing technology we just talked about, the biggest hurdle to making it all work, well, it's not the tech. It's something else entirely.
Yeah, this quote just nails it. The real challenge isn't about code or hardware or servers, it's about us. It's about people, and successfully managing the human side of such a monumental change.
So, if the problem is people, how do you solve it? You need a rock-solid strategy for managing that change. Because as this model shows, you can have the most brilliant technology in the world, but if your people and your organization aren't on the same page, the whole thing is destined to fail.
And that solution really breaks down into this 3-part approach. You've got to focus on the people first, getting them involved and aware. Then comes the technology and making sure it's adopted correctly. And finally, you have to align the entire organization to build a culture that actually embraces this new way of working. It has to be all 3.
Okay, that sounds great in theory, right? But how do companies actually put this plan into practice? Well, this isn't just an idea. There's a very practical blueprint that leaders are using to make Pharma 4.0 happen.
Well, it's not a mad dash. It's a really careful, methodical process. It starts with rigorously selecting the right tech for the job. Then, you have to align everything with super strict safety regulations. And, critically, you start small with pilot programs to test it all out.
And those pilot programs are key. Each one has its own little life cycle, you see. You can think of it as a mini version of the whole transformation, from planning all the way through to making sure everything is traceable. It's where you work out all the kinks and build confidence before going all in.
All right, let's tie all of this together. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about fancy factories and data points. What does all of this technology and all of this strategy actually mean for your health?
This is it. This is the vision. A smart, connected factory of the very near future. It's an intelligent system where robots and AI and people all work together with incredible precision to make the medicines we all depend on.
And for us, the benefits are huge and they're very real.
We get safer medicines because things like blockchain can guarantee they're authentic. We get faster cures because AI is turbocharging research and development. And we get more reliable supply chains, which means fewer shortages of essential drugs when we need them most.
And just so we're clear, this isn't some far-off sci-fi dream. Look at the numbers. The investment in just the cloud computing piece of this is set to more than triple in less than a decade. The money is flowing, the tech is here, and the momentum is undeniable. This future is happening right now.
So it really all comes down to this final thought. The technology is racing ahead. The digital blueprint for success is on the table. The only real question left is a human one. Are we ready to build with it?